Yeah, I am waiting for a candidate to come for the interview. This is for Federal Bank, PO. Federal Bank, PO. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Yeah. Now let us go to straight away to Federal Bank interview. Now please tell me what is banking?
Sir, today no introduction.
Not required. Kabhi introduction nahi mangte. Straight away they will go into the interview also. But if you want to have
Okay, sir. No,
introduction,
no,
you
we'll
can.
continue. We'll continue.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Banking is a business of collecting money from individual business firms and protecting them for a time period that is required by the customer and providing interest for the same. Banking also has functions such as accepting deposits, lending money. They also provide other facilities such as debit card, credit card, wherein customer can easily withdraw their money and utilize it for various reasons. Banking plays a vital role in the economic growth of the nation.
What are the ways by which banks make income?
Sir, bank can earn income by providing loans wherein they earn interest on the same. Bank also earn income by charges such as debit card charges, credit card charges. They also earn income through penalties, such as in case if a customer is not able to maintain minimum balance, bank can put a penalty for the same. These are some of the ways, and also bank provides services for which they charge, and this is income for a bank.
Did you mention about the banks earning income out of the investments made by them in government securities and also in shares? When they invest, they will get dividend. And also when they sell it to others, they may get an increased share price also.
Yes, sir. They can also earn income through cross-selling and also by selling third-party products wherein they can earn commission.
Good. Excellent. So what do you understand by corporate social responsibility?
Sir, as the term suggests, corporate social responsibility, it is the responsibility of each and every individual and the company to give it back to the society. The minimum each company has to pay minimum each company earning a profit of 5 crore or having a turnover of 500 crores has to give back to the society minimum 2% of the net profit earned by them. A company earns
How they now,
yes, sir.
okay. After telling this, you come to what are the activities in which Federal Bank is engaging in CSR?
Okay. So, sir, in our case, Federal Bank is doing various CSR activities, wherein uh, recently through KP Hormis Foundation, we provided educational loans to students who are pursuing their higher education, such as MBBS, MBA, and higher
Mm,
education.
mm. Is it a loan or a scholarship?
It's a scholarship, sir.
You said loan.
Yes.
Acha. Then you should also mention about, see, I will show you. Mm, 1 minute, just a minute for 5 minutes. See, Federal Bank Memorial Foundation, this is what you said. Then you can also tell about activities in healthcare. Federal Bank has joined hands with Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology for setting up a comprehensive center for cognitive rehabilitation of children with neuro disorders. Then supporting a rehabilitation center for HIV patients, cancer patients. Then supporting rehabilitation center for autistic youth, supporting trauma care units for ambulance, counseling centers,
Okay, sir.
dialysis center. See, you tell these things. If you can't remember the name of the hospital, leave it. Just tell they are sponsoring old age homes, sponsoring for trauma care units, sponsoring for rehabilitation center for autistic youth. Likewise, these points you have to
Sir,
tell.
so what I can do is, so while proceeding with the CSR definition and also the minimum 2% after mentioning that, I can mention that we at Federal Bank are doing CSR through activities such as education and skill development, healthcare, and also through our Hormis Memorial Foundation. And sir, if in detail they ask, I can go in detail because I
Yeah,
am
exactly.
confident about the headings.
Yeah. Headings only you say. Headings only you say. But if they want, they can ask you what is the reason for this. Good.
Okay, sir.
That this one you did very well. No problem. Good. Um, what is the share price of our um, Federal Bank right now?
So today all the banks were doing well. Share price of Federal Bank is closed at 119.
Correct. Good. 119. Good, good, good. You told correctly. Very happy. Excellent. What is anti-money laundering?
Anti-money laundering. Sir, can I have a second?
No, no, no. You are basically marketing man, na? Marketing person. Na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. But even then, this is a very basic question. Anti-money laundering comes under, say, um, prevention of money being used for terrorism purposes, and also and in order to achieve that, banks are observing KYC norms, and this is done to avoid benami transactions and also this money laundering. Money laundering means mm, sending money through illegal means into our country from abroad. Not only that, say,
Okay, sir.
not only that, say making black money into white money.
Okay, sir. So in short, anti-money laundering the actions have been taken in order to avoid illegal actions.
Illegal transactions, illegal money.
Illegal transaction. So to cut it short, I would say that anti money laundering
See here,
is
are you seeing on the screen? Anti-money
yes.
laundering. In order to comply with know your customer anti-money laundering requirements, the following documents are of assistance to the correspondent banks in completing their client bank due diligence. The PDF documents, um, Say in the case of companies, memorandum and articles of association, then AML questionnaire format, ये सब तो बहुत detail है, ये आपको जरूरत नहीं है. This is not required for you. This is very detailed, but it is sufficient. You come to our, I have been suggesting you to go through glossary. You come to
Yes, sir.
the glossary, and under glossary, what is given here? Here, I think it will be coming under KYC.
Know your
KYC,
customer.
yeah, KYC norms. Here you can read this. Know your custom norms are imposed by RBI on banks and other financial institutions to ensure that they know their customers and to ensure that customers deal only in legitimate banking operations and not in money laundering or fraud. समझ गया? Now,
Yes, sir.
your doubt is about what is money laundering. Money laundering meaning is a concealment of the origins of illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfer involving foreign banks or illegitimate businesses, wrongly given as legitimate. It should be illegitimate businesses. समझ गया? Concealment of the origin of the illegally obtained money, typically by means of transfers involving foreign banks or illegitimate businesses. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, इंडिया से मनी बाहर आना तो थ्रू बैंक्स आना है और मनी चेंजर से जाना है. इंडिया को पैसा आना तो थ्रू बैंक्स ओनली इट शुड कम. When it is not coming through that, it becomes a money laundering. Okay. You please read a Wikipedia also, that will help you.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now you are a marketing person. Please sell this pens. I think both are, this is I think with the press, this is ordinary. I will show you this. So are you able to see this now? Pen.
Yes, sir.
You are going to sell this pen to me. You are a representative of the manufacturer or the dealer who is dealing with it. And you can put myself in any position. You can put yourself also in any position and then come and make a convincing transaction, selling these pens to me. Not one pen. You're, as a marketing person, आपको idea is to sell pens in thousands and 10,000s and lakhs. समझ गया? So maybe you are approaching a college or school or say some company, some organization. So इनका पास में जाके आप बात करते हैं. So what will you do? Come on.
Okay. So good evening, sir. My name is Pranjali Param. I am, sir, can we hold it horizontally? Okay, sir. Yeah, I can see. Good evening, sir. My name is Pranjali Param. I am here on behalf of Cello, wherein we we uh, we at Cello believe in making sure that the important transactions happen with with our involvement in it.
Yeah.
We So give me a minute to think,
No problem.
please.
No problem. No, but one thing, see, it is not necessary they will ask only pen. Sometimes they ask you to sell a glass. Here it is a ever silver tumbler. The many candidates, they have had only glass on the table. some candidates were asked to sell the glass pane, glass panel, whatever it is. Anything they can ask you to sell. Sometimes they can ask you to sell some bank schemes also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This
So
is
we
your
have been,
this is your subject question. Yeah.
so we haven't actually done sales yet though. But yes, sir, I'll try my best. I have been doing marketing and awareness, so I'm used to it. But selling, yes, I'll try, sir.
You know why you say you are used to marketing but not selling? What is the difference between marketing and selling? This question they
So
ask in the
yeah,
interview.
sir, in marketing, the objective is to spread awareness about the product to a large group or to among individuals. In selling, you have to close the deal wherein revenue is generated. Yes, sir.
No, और भी है जी, बहुत कुछ है.
So in selling, you have to persuade a customer, while in case of
I am giving the link in our Telegram, a paid group, paid. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Mm, 1 minute. Yeah. Tell me, what is the difference between marketing and selling?
yes, sir. So in marketing, the focus is being made on the customer. So the focus is to make the customer understand that what are we as a company, what are our products, what are our services that we are offering. While in case of selling, focus is made on the product or service that we are offering. We are trying to pitch it to the customer and to persuade the customer. In case of marketing, focus is on the long term because we have to be in the industry. And in case of selling, the focus is on the business that we have to make profit in the short term.
Good. This word is good, short term. Whereas marketing is a long term goal, long term idea. अच्छा जी,
Yes.
I am showing you, not that you have not told correctly. आप देख लीजिए, इसको पढ़ लीजिए. Please read. Selling, marketing.
Selling refers to creating products and selling them to customers. Marketing refers to finding wants of people or customer and fill them.
जो हम लोग
Selling,
बना के रखा है उसको बिक्री करना, वो तो सेलिंग है. मार्केटिंग होगा लोग को क्या चाहिए वो सोच के नया बनाना. समझ गया? या
yes,
कंटिन्यू.
sir. Selling revolves around the needs and interest of the seller, whereas marketing revolves around needs and interest of the consumer. Okay, so basically selling is more of seller focused and marketing is more of consumer focused.
Continue. It is useful. It will be useful.
Emphasis more on product or service, is emphasis is more on consumer needs and wants. Selling is only an integrated part of the marketing process, while marketing is a wider term consisting of number of activities. Selling is based on short-term business planning. Marketing is based on long-term business planning. Yes. It manufactures the product first. It identifies the market first. In sales, it is sales volume oriented. In marketing, it is consumer satisfaction with profit oriented. In selling, selling views business as goods producing and selling process. Marketing views business as consumer satisfying process. Consumer in selling, seller is considered as kingpin of market. In marketing, consumer is
Mm.
considered as kingpin of market.
So we are now in a consumer being considered as as kingpin of the market. Okay, that is banking. In banking, customer is the king. Customer
Yes,
is
sir.
the king. इसको बाद में पढ़ लीजिए. I have given it in our Telegram page. You please read that. Of course, this point came because suddenly you came telling marketing, selling, and all. That is why I asked this. Now you are going to sell me this. Come on, sell, sell, sell.
Yes, sir. So we are here on behalf of Cello company. We have been in the industry for over 40 to 45 years. Say, our focus is entirely on pens.
Hmm.
Earlier we used to sell it to individuals, but
Hmm.
right now we have also in the last since the last decade we have been also extended it to industries and various companies.
Hmm.
We are here to we are here with this pen. We are here with this pen to use, because we consider that your time is valuable to us,
Hmm.
and we at Cello make sure that the pen that we sell lo- stays for a
Hmm.
longer time.
Hmm.
So whenever you am sir, considering you am pretty sure that you are a premium customer to us, and you use pen to sign important documents and papers. We believe that so the feel that we give to our customer is very relevant, and the value that it creates in the minds of the customer is that what we focus on. The pen that we are offering is in the price range of 80 to 90. The reason being, the refill that it has will uh, long will won't what I meant is this pen will long last for minimum 4 to 5 months. And considering you, sir, I am very sure that you use pen for very signing very relevant documents, as you are a busy person and having tons of work. And I'm sure, sir, that having this pen will definitely give you a premium feel. Would you like to more would you like to know more about this pen?
What is the concession you can offer when we buy in large quantities?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir. I would like to question you before that. So, sir, how are you planning to buy? Like, what is the quantity that you are planning to buy? I'll definitely give you concession from my end. I would like to know the quantity that you're planning to buy.
See, actually, for this question, you can as well imagine some numbers and then tell. Supposing you buy in thousands, we give you say 5-10% discount, and if you buy it in lakhs, we may be offering 20% discount. ऐसा बोल दीजिए, because
Okay, sir.
not that it many of the students, they start asking questions to the buyer. Instead, you tell your plus points and put forth your ideas. Okay,
Okay, sir.
that will be good.
So, yeah.
And you tried your best, but then um,
So this was the first
um,
time I tried to sell a pen, but I'll get thorough with selling a
no, no,
pen.
not only pen, anything that you sell, first tell the plus points of that product and what is the price, at what terms you can give, and present it like that very happily. And the tone should communicate your happiness. I know you are not feeling well, but in spite of it, in the interview, the voice should communicate your happiness, or
Yes, sir.
that is what is important. Otherwise, good, you did well. You did well. I
So
wish
I'll
mostly.
improve on this speech
Yeah.
because even I feel this question might be asked. Though we have interviews tomorrow, some of them have interviews tomorrow. We'll get an idea how interview is being conducted at
Acha,
federal
acha,
this year.
acha, acha, acha. Then, if you come across some questions, please post it
Yes, sir.
in
Sir,
our
Revati
Telegram
has
group.
her interview tomorrow.
Oh, Revati Nair.
Yeah, she would be coming in our college, but I have it on Monday.
Oh, Revati Nair ka interview ho gaya na? I think she has already taken mock interview with me. I think so. Yeah.
Okay. So she has her final interview tomorrow with the company.
Oh, 1 minute. Revati Nair. Mm, yeah. Revati Nair. I think she has not taken an interview at all. Some candidates, they fear about taking interview also. That is a problem. But
I plan to take an interview because I'll get to know the probably and expected questions and where I am lacking.
yeah.
So I need
And now you are doing everything correctly, except that you should go through, say, about digital products of our federal bank, and you are in Maharashtra. Acha, acha,
yes, sir.
Revati Nair, is she a person who wanted only Bombay? Bombay may posting. Or you are that girl, na? Pranjali. You only wanted posting inside
Sir,
Bombay, na?
I am okay. I'm okay relocating, but my constraint is that you know the constraint, and I would prefer first preference would be Mumbai.
No, no,
I wouldn't say
no, no, no. After talking to you, I had a thinking. If you tell that, and probably they may be considering you, you are not flexible. Instead of Aisa bol dijiye, I am willing to take up relocation. Um, Aisa bol dijiye, that is better, because there will be a constraint. No, they will think, oh, this girl should be posted in Mumbai only. Why should we take this girl? Or you should modify your answer like this. For the first 2 years, I may like to stay here in Mumbai, after which I'm willing to be posted anywhere, something like that. But you
okay,
know,
sir.
instead, see, always unqualified response is received well than qualified response. Qualified ka matlab, I will do this provided you do this. That doesn't go well. Will you like
Right.
such a person? Will you like such a person? Will you
No,
select a person who says, supposing somebody comes in for marriage and says, I will marry you only if you go for employment for 1 lakh salary every
sir,
month.
how if I say that, sir, I am willing to relocate, but I would be happy. I would be more happy if I get the preference as Mumbai. That's all.
No, no, no. More happy jarurat nahi. I am willing to relocate. However, if possible, I may be considered for Mumbai. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Simply don't exaggerate or elaborate on that
Okay,
topic.
sir.
That certainly they are going to ask this question. Are you willing
Yes.
to relocate? Yeah. So this is what it is. Anyhow, you have been answering well only. Go through the current affairs. Oh, I have been posting, whether somebody sees or not, I have been posting regularly current affairs in YouTube.
Current affairs, yes, sir. So even today, RBI has the repo rate has gone up by 0.50 BPS. So
Point.
now the repo rate, yeah,
No,
repo
no.
rate is
That
5
there
point.
will be a certainly a question on about this one. I have posted a video on that already. RBI policy repo rate hiked by 50 basis points to 5.9%.
Yes, sir.
I discussed with that ECGC girl now.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
So
So even then,
इसका
our
बारे में पूरा पढ़
federal bank
लीजिए.
savings rate
इसका
would be updated now since we keep it as 2.40% lower than the repo rate. So even our SBI, savings
they will
bank,
they will increase it to 2.90.
yeah,
They
now they have to
they
increase.
they
Earlier,
won't
sir, it
like
was 3. So now they have to keep it 3.50. Savings rate would
not
increase.
not necessary, but
Okay.
earlier they have not been passing on the increases to customers.
Sir, even federal quarter two result are expected today.
No. Oh, अच्छा
Are
quarter two
expected.
today नहीं आएगा. Quarter two results आने के लिए तो कम से कम 2 weeks 3 weeks होगा.
अच्छा जाएगा अक्टूबर. Okay, sir.
So no
So I'll
problem.
focus on
So
quarter
you
one.
focus on quarter one only. Very good. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you
Thank you
so much.
so.
Sir, I had a
Thank you.
question.
Yeah.
I was going through the videos of our MD and CEO, Mr. Sham Srinivasan. So in the video, they had mentioned that they had 9 Fed studios. So
Hmm.
are those the applications such as Fed e-recruit, Fed corporate, Fed EBs? Are
No.
those 9?
Fed studios or Fed apps?
Fed Digi, I think they call it as Digi Studios. Fed Studios. They say it as Fed Studios.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not fully comfortable. I'm not familiar with what you are telling.
So if they
Sorry.
ask what are the different products, so should I go with the applications and everything?
No. Products ka matlab you tell about the savings bank, current account, recurring deposit, fixed deposit, and then
Salary account.
cumulative deposit, then demat account. Then you tell about the loan products means loan for deposit, loan against jewels, then agricultural loan, education loan, home loan, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Now, one question you answer me. What is the name of the chief marketing officer?
Sir, of Federal Bank.
Yeah.
Sir, it was
It
sir
was nice. It was not
surname
only one person has been appointed
Murthy.
recently. What Murthy?
Surname. Wait a minute, sir. So, surname was Murthy. I remember that way.
CSR Murthy. Na? Yeah. Are you seeing the screen on the? Are you seeing the screen?
Not yet, sir.
Uh-huh. First is C. Balagopal, Chairman. Shyam Srinivasan, Managing Director. Then other things. Sometimes they do ask some director's name also. Please get to know 2-3 directors name. Varsha
Sure.
Puramdare. Varsha Puramdare. Shalini Warrior, Executive Director. Then our
Ashutosh
chief,
Khajuria.
chief Marketing Officer is CSR Murthy, I think so. Chief Marketing Officer is CSR Murthy. He was appointed 2-3 months back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
I'll definitely update you regarding same.
Yeah. Very good. Tomorrow, if you get some questions, please tell us so that we can change our pattern also.
Yes, sir. Sir, probably Revati can help you with it because I have interview on Monday. So I can help you with that on Monday.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Bye.